So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website, which is www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button, and then type your motherboard model number B60M Eagle Wi-Fi 6 V2, and then hit enter. Click to product, then click on model number of motherboard. Then guys, click to support. Select your operating system. Okay, Windows 10 and 11. If you have Windows 10, so you can follow this video and install the driver, because installation driver is same. Bluetooth driver. So 8851, this is, I'll click to download. Then open this and double click to exe. Yes. Now this is installing. Now this is installing by the cmd command. So it is closed, means this is installed.